Okay, it's recording. Let me pause my music. Okay. Hi.
Hello.
I'm Gloria.
I'm Diana.
And we're here to talk to you about spiders! It was spider shit. It was still alive.
I'm getting out of bed.
Okay, come on. Okay.
Sorry about that announcement.
Okay, we're here to talk to you about
Burping.
Yep. We're going to have our own burping contest. Okay, we're going to have our own
Burping contest.
Diana, would you like to go first?
Yes.
I'm sorry. Okay, my turn?
Yes. And that's the last of our burping contest.
Yeah, now Diana's going to sing you a song.
No, wait. Farting, farting, farting. Farting, farting, farting. P-H-L-O. Farting, farting, farting. Farting is fun, fun, fun. That's the last of my song.
Yep.
Farting.
Are we done with the video?
No. And tell us what is this, Gloria?
No, I don't know.
It's a ribbon that's untied, loose. A circle here. And what's this? A two lines in the bottom like a V? Or the top of a Y?
Oh.
It might be, but I want to know what these are. They're red ribbon ties! Can you hear a contest as I run?
Oh, okay.
This is only for ribbons. You must have ribbons at. If you want to come to my house, you must only have one of these bracelet ribbons on your hand. Ribbon tie.
Kinda picky, aren't you?
Uh-huh.
She's a silly goose.
So, find your pair of ribbons, untie it, and ready to come to my house with this bracelet on. Bye.